Pagdating niya. So, ang gagawin nyo,
must have different color of different
so,
pictures.
meron Thanks, Gordon. Busy Gordon. Teka naman ni Gordon. So, meron tayong tatlong station. May tatlo tayong station. Okay? Makinig kayo. Makinig. Kapag kinakayaw ng price, ilabas nga natin yung price. Wait lang. Kapag kinakayaw natin si Gordon, ilabas ko yung price. Sige, mag-group kayo. Circle. Circle. Sige, yung mga price ninyo, sobrang healthy. Sobrang healthy yung mga price ninyo. Okay? So, para ma-excite kayo ba? Sobrang healthy talaga nito. Merong cheese, may spaghetti, may barbecue flavor. May shrimp, o di ba may seafood? Oh, sobrang healthy nito.
Color. Continue color.
Now I'm the winner.
Yeah, okay then. Come on then.
Now I'm naked.
Yeah, because you're naked.
Okay. Siyempre, mga 4 to 7, kung nindot ang inyong color, walang lagpas-lagpas na as a prize. Okay? Tag-7 lang isa niyan. Sige. Asa na yung group?
That's a boy.
Asa na yung group?
Yeah, come on, continue your color.
Ala, sige, maghabulan na lang kayo.
Your second color picture.
5, 3, 4, 3.
The first one is done. Congratulations, Nicole. See, now another picture to paint, to color for Meeple. She have 2 chocolates now.
18, 3.